In our world, we're never alone. We stand with our crew side by side. Our lives rush past us, and we pause. And then we rise. We connect with the world. Find new partners for the job. Well done. And in places we'd never expect. We find our partners for life. We rise, we breathe, we connect, we love. Because we interact.
We developed the phone case Arc Pulse because we love our iPhones, the design, material and experience. The Arc Pulse focuses on the features that are most essential to you: design, interaction and protection.
Arc Pulse is slim and lightweight, allowing you to feel your iPhone like no other phone case before. The unique two-part design makes Arc Pulse the most essential phone case for iPhone 12.
Our case protects the front, back and camera of your iPhone. Its two-layered design distributes the force of an impact across an outer titanium shell, while an inner flexible layer absorbs the shock, keeping your iPhone safe.
With our unique design of the Arc Pulse iPhone case, we are reshaping your technology interaction.